Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making curry steamed fish with rice and peas, and here are my seasoning that I'll be using to season the fish. So I have some curry powder, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, salt, and all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just mixing it all together so that I can rub it all over my fish. And here I have two little butter fishes. Yes, and I'm gonna give them some love. So rub them down, rub them up, be kind and be nice to them with the seasoning. And if you don't want to, I guess you don't have to do this, but hey, worse since a curry where I curry the fish, why not give the fish some love? So this, normally I always do this. I will put olive oil on my fish before I season it. I don't know where my mind was, but I forgot. So it was after I started rubbing the seasoning on it that I remembered, and I still did it. So yeah, and guys, guess what? You have to open up that fish and rub the seasoning inside of it as well. You need to get that seasoning everywhere. Trust. I mean, guess if it's normal, like not curry fish, then maybe you would have just put some black pepper and salt on it, and that would be enough. If you want, me would have still put all-purpose seasoning on it, but because it's the curry, yeah, you need to get you definitely want to get it everywhere. So yeah, I put 2 slits in the side of my fish, and then I'm gonna do another 2 on the other side, just so them have room for bust out and not them not bust out and skin up and go. Them have room for enlarge them territory when they are cooking, basically. So yeah, and I'm just doing it to the other fish. So here are my ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe: some thyme, ginger, garlic, pimento, sweet pepper, scallion, tomato, sweet pepper again, carrot, onion, and some butter, and the fish is over there, of course. So yeah, this is my peas finished cook. So I added some ginger, garlic, thyme, scallion, and now I'm adding my coconut cream. You say coconut juice. It's so creamy that I was distracted calling it coconut cream, but yeah, coconut juice. And look at all that cream, guys. Trust me, this make for such a good rice and peas. You need a nice proper creamy coconut. So I'm adding some pimento powder. You can use your pimento seed, and I added some salt. Stir it up and bring that to a boil. Well, cover it down and then bring it to a boil. But yeah, that's it. And back to my curry I go. So I added some oil. This is about a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm adding my curry. And even though it look like nothing go on under the pot, fire under the pot. It's just that you don't want, well, of course you can see my steam, but yeah, our steam, smoke, whatever it is. But yeah, you want to burn the curry just a bit. But please make sure your fire is on low, because you don't want burn him up and a black curry look. So yeah, I added my garlic, ginger. Now I'm adding some of the onion, some of the sweet peppers, and some of the thyme, and the yellow sweet pepper was in that as well. So yeah, mix it up. And then I'm going to add some hot water to this. Well, I added my thyme, some of the thyme. So basically I use about half of all of my seasoning that I had, or veggies or whatever you want to call them. I use half of those in this first, add my hot water, and then I'm gonna cover it down, cover it for 10 minutes. You know, give the curry some time for cook, or for just go on make everything, you know, the seasoning, everything infuse, all those amazing flavor infuse. So I forgot my pimento seed, so drop it in, drop to the drop, and cover it back down. And now I'm going to sort out my rice. So yes, it boil up, and I wash my rice, and now I'm adding it. So dash it in, stir it up, and then we are going to cover it until it dry down. Then we revisit it again. We have revision when it dry down. So cover it, and back to the curry I went. So I added some salt and a pepper from a pickled pepper that my mom made me. Yes. So you know, you do the vinegar and whatever, I'm sure everyone knows. So yeah, I'm adding my fish. Oh, look at these two beauties. And now I'm adding the rest of the niceness. So go in with the rest of the sweet pepper and the onion and the scallion and the thyme. Just add everything. Oh yeah, drop it right in the middle right there. The pimento. I mean, oh, love on it. Dash in the tomato, and yes, dash that butter on the top. Go toop city. And look at that nice little carrot. You just sprinkle it all over like it's a confetti, like it's the confetti at the party. You just sprinkle it and sprinkle it. Yeah, dash it. And then now we're gonna take some of that juicy juice and just sprinkle it all over them two fishes. Yes, sprinkle away. That looks so good, so pretty, so nice. I can already tell. I'm telling you, it's gonna taste amazing. Look at it. So this is what we are working with before we cover it to cook. Look at it. It's starting to bubble. Do you see the bubbles? Bubble. Yes. So good. So yeah, we're gonna cover it for a nice 10 to 15. Fish don't take long to cook in. By the way, I almost forgot my cumin powder, so dash a little bit in there, not too much, only about half teaspoon. Trust me, that thing, me like the little where it give the taste of the fish. It give just a little you know, like somebody just push up and just give a little push by your shoulder. So yeah, get a little thing there. So I like that in curry. So yeah, add that, and then now me just take some of the juice and dash up on the top. 15 minutes. So yeah, back to my rice. So see it dry down, and now I'm just stirring it up. And then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to finish cooking. Yes, rice. Oh Father, thank you. Oh yes, Lord. Cover it, make it finish. So yeah, Vibes fam, that was it, or this is it after 10 minutes. So 10 to 15, it no need no more fish, not take long for cook. And I weed this. So see we have Vibes fam, see the finished product here. See the finished product here, like most unna see it. Me say like most unna see it. After me dish it out, and then I was like, oh wait, but me for sure the Vibes fam them want go on in my plate. Yes, so see the fish here. Can I tell you guys, look at that deliciousness. Can I tell you guys how amazing this curry steamed fish taste. By the way, I love steamed fish. I prefer steamed fish than fried fish. I love me some steamed fish. And I love curry too. So, I mean, what a combo. What a combo. Amazing, guys. So delicious. And I mean, the fish cook nice, just nice and juicy. I should have broken it and make on see it. But so it go. I know every time I'm not gonna see everything though. But thank you so look there. Oh yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, and thank you for the support. New watchers, please subscribe. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please share my video. By the way, please go and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, especially on Instagram. Where are you guys? I need to see you. God bless you.